Blacked Out 4x4, welcome back to another one. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to be talking to you about something that I just added to this truck. Take a look at this. Look at the sheer size. I'm actually holding on to it to show you the sheer size of it. This is awesome. I love it. I'm so happy I bought this. So I'm going to tell you why I got this, and yeah, let's do it. So I just love the aggressiveness or the aggressive look of this right now, and there's two reasons that I got this. Number one, this is a joke though, but if you don't want tailgaters on your ass, you don't want other cars riding right up on you, I put this on yesterday and I drove it out today, and believe you me, there were cars behind me that were keeping a huge distance away from me, and I'm like, man oh man. So like I honestly feel like this has a purpose. This has actually a few purposes that I'm going to tell you about. And yeah, first one being that cars will not ride up the back of you. Okay, it has that aggressive look, and I really like that it has that. Number two, and that is, it's a hook. So I actually just picked this one up recently. It's a recovery strap, and now with this hook I can easily place this recovery strap around this hook, and it has a purpose. It has full functionality. So literally placing it like that, like so, okay. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm just going to show you. Man, this is long. This is super long. But yeah, literally, you know, we're set. You don't want to do that though. You don't want to put this around your arm. But you know, you can really tug at it, and you know, and now you're kind of set to go. I just need a surfboard or something like a skateboard. A skateboard would be more practical. But yeah, you know, you can just kind of picture it. But all jokes aside, this is a perfect hook for your recovery strap. You know, instead of looking for anchors underneath your truck or your Jeep, this is fantastic. No matter what vehicle you have, as long as you have a hitch at the back of your vehicle, you can mount one of these on. I'm going to show you the box. I'm going to give you all the details. I'm going to have a link below where you can actually pick one of these up if you like the look of it. So yeah, let's head back to the truck. I'll show you what this product is all about. I guess I could just drop this here. So it's called Tow Ready. It's a receiver mount hook. Now it gives you all the information here. You know, the weight capacity, what it's made out of. It's heavy duty. It's black powder coat finish, so hopefully it doesn't rust as quickly. And the only thing that you have to purchase extra is the pin. Okay, so I'm going to try to include the pin in the link below the video as well, where you can securely fasten this to the hitch. Other than that, I had read some reviews and comments underneath this hitch or underneath this hook mentioning that it does rattle and stuff. So I mean, before creating this video today, I'm glad I actually put this on and did a test drive with it. A long test drive. I went on a couple of highways and stuff like that, and I didn't hear the metal, you know, knocking with each other or anything like that. So overall, my review on this, my opinion on this is that it's good. I think it's fantastic, and I just wanted to share that with you guys today, a little add-on to the truck. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm gonna have the details below. Again, it's not just for trucks, it's for Jeeps, for any vehicle that has a trailer hitch. Just be sure that you check the size to make sure it does fit your trailer hitch. And I think that's about it. So if you like what you saw today, again, it was just short, something small that I wanted to share with you. Give me a thumbs up, it would mean a lot. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, it would mean a lot if you did. There'll be a little icon that will appear at